Thanks for tuning into Mystery Curtain, where every gadget has a story waiting to be told. Join me as we explore the latest innovation, test its limits, and decide if it. The Dell Inspiron 14 5440 arrives as the latest iteration of Dell's national office laptop line. A machine long known for reliability and balanced performance. And now it carries the new Intel Core 7 150U processor in a package priced under $1,000. A segment that is fiercely competitive with thin and light options from many brands. At first glance, the Inspiron 14 maintains the familiar Dell design philosophy. With a sturdy plastic chassis coated in a metallic paint finish that gives a solid feel without going overboard on premium flair. The rounded edges and subtle colors making it equally suitable for school, office, or everyday use. Despite not having the full metal body of more expensive Ultrabooks, the overall build quality feels dependable, and the device preserves the Inspiron tradition of toughness. With a thickness of less than 18 mm and a weight of about 1.67 kg, portability is one of its strongest points. Light enough to slip into a backpack and carry between classrooms, offices, or coffee shops. The hinge feels robust, holding the screen steady during typing or video calls. Though it does make one-hand opening nearly impossible, so most users will find themselves using both hands to lift the lid. Inside, the keyboard follows the chiclet layout with good travel and bounce, providing a soft but firm typing experience well suited for long work sessions. While the addition of a backlight is a welcome feature for working late or in dimly lit rooms, the touchpad is wide, smooth to the touch, and responsive to multi-finger gestures, delivering accuracy that, while not as premium as glass or haptic pads, is perfectly adequate for daily office tasks. Dell did not cut corners on connectivity either, including USB-A ports on both sides, HDMI, a USB-C port with power delivery and data speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, an SD card reader, and a headphone jack, covering nearly all needs without requiring dongles. The 14-inch Full HD IPS display is functional, delivering wide viewing angles and stable brightness, though the limited 45% NTSC color gamut means it is best suited for spreadsheets, documents, web browsing, and casual entertainment rather than professional color-sensitive work. Still, it provides enough clarity for streaming and day-to-day productivity. Audio quality is decent, with stereo speakers that get loud enough for movies and meetings, albeit without much bass. While the Full HD webcam is a pleasant surprise at this price point, producing sharper and clearer video calls, compared to many rivals that still use 720p sensors. Performance is where the Inspiron 14 shows the biggest leap thanks to Intel's Core 7150U processor, a 10-core 12-thread chip that can turbo up to 5.4 GHz. Benchmarks reflect strong office performance, with Cinebench R23 scores around 1,588 single-core and 6,014 multi-core, while Geekbench 6 pushes that further to 2,565 and 9,075, respectively. Plenty for multitasking across dozens of Chrome tabs, handling Microsoft Office workloads, and even light creative software. Power consumption remains efficient with a TDP around 40 W. Keeping heat and fan noise in check. Paired with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking feels fluid. While the 512 GB PCIe 4.0 SSD delivers fast boot times and file transfers, with Crystal Disk Mark recording read speeds near 4,919 MBs and write speeds around 4,058 MBs, ensuring storage is not a bottleneck. The graphics solution is Intel UHD graphics integrated into the CPU, which predictably lags behind dedicated GPUs, but it still surprises by pushing over 100 FPS in esports titles like League of Legends and Valorant at Full HD on high settings, proving capable enough for casual gamers and students who want a break between assignments. In synthetic tests, 3D-Mark Time SPY scores of about 1,443 and PC-Mark 10 scores of 5,517 highlight that while this is no gaming laptop, the integrated GPU has matured enough for light creative editing and competitive gaming. Battery life, however, is less impressive. With a 54 watt-hours 4-cell unit, the Inspiron 14 averages around 4 hours of mixed use, adequate for a lecture or short work session, but not enough for a full day without the charger. Fortunately, the inclusion of USB-C charging with power delivery adds flexibility, letting users top up with compact third-party chargers, or even share a phone charger in a pinch. In real-world use, this makes up somewhat for the modest capacity. Overall, the Dell Inspiron 14 5440 stands as a reliable, affordable thin and light laptop under $1,000, balancing portability, office-friendly design, and a surprisingly capable new Intel Core 7150U processor. While the display's color reproduction and the battery endurance hold it back from excellence, its combination of strong build quality, generous ports, solid keyboard, and above-average webcam make it a practical choice for students and professionals seeking a dependable everyday laptop. It might not scream premium, but in many ways that has always been the charm of the Inspiron line. No-nonsense durability, enough performance for what matters, and a price tag that keeps it accessible.